We always feel like we know our users, but do we really? Meet Betafi, where you test your ideas and designs, not your users. We make it easy for you to capture all the aha moments when you talk to your users. As your users drop golden nuggets, Betafi helps to capture them with a single click. You can also bring in your interview questions and add timestamp notes without jumping between multiple tools during the call. As you move from validating your idea to building prototypes, Betafi also helps you test your Figma or XD prototypes or live websites. After capturing all that feedback, Betafi helps to translate that into actionable pointers. You can revisit the conversations to analyze the feedback, rewatch the aha moments. And when you are done with a few sessions, identify key takeaways by comparing your notes across different users. To share the best nuggets as a public link or embed it in a Notion document. Not just clips, you can share your notes as well. Export your notes to Miro for further analysis and collaboration with your team. Use the Betafi app to transform your Zoom meeting experience and ensure you never miss capturing an aha moment. Don't wait. Join the tribe that loves to build products backed by real customer insights, not intuition.